Hi everyone. Today interview topic is average of list. So this is also one of the most asked question in the interviews commonly. So we need to find out the some average of list by using stream API. So for that one we have just created a class and we took one list and here we'll just do the average of this list. So for that one I'll just do it taking list and dot adding stream dot here I will add one method which is mapToInt. So it will convert each and every stream as a int stream. So let's convert that each and every stream as int stream. So take a reference of an element. So I'm just taking E so for the best understanding. So it is here you can mention you can take anything like E or A or something whatever you want. So dot. So now I want to find the average of this list. So I'm going to add method that is average. Okay. So the return type of the list of average is double. So I will use the method that is get as double. So this the that's it to get the average of list. So we will add this one to one variable. So the return type is double, right? So let's take a double variable, double g of list. Okay, so now we have assigned this value to this variable average of list. Okay, now let's print it out to check the are we getting proper value or not. Sys out and let's print average of list equals to average of list. Let's print run this application and here you can see the average of list is 12.375. So this is the one so you can calculate it later manually. So sum of this list by and number of elements in this list. So you can get a value like 12.375. Okay. Thanks for watching guys. If you find it helpful, so please do like and subscribe.